We took the second question and answer session. It was full of questions, answers, and all. Okay. Finally, we were able to complete the sessions. Sorry, questions from the sheet that you have written it. Okay. So, today onwards, we will start few technical topics where we need to start. Okay, understanding what is ServiceNow and what type of job we belongs to and all. Okay. So before I take control, first thing is first. Okay. Yesterday assignment, I asked to create the PDI for your practice. Okay. Everyone completed your practice? Your PDI is created, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, I'm facing error that
If anyone
created
faces
studio. I'm facing error, sir.
if anyone faces any issue, immediately post it in the group, man. Yesterday someone posted a issue.
Okay.
We provided the solution. I think it helped him, correct? So don't wait. If you face any issue, please immediately post it in the group. Okay, first thing. And if anyone not yet completed the PDI creation, please immediately create it. Because today onwards we will do practice. Okay, so you have to do some practice also going forward every day. Okay, good. So before I take control for further class, okay, any questions still from anyone? Maybe for a minute or two, not long questions. Okay, at least. Any questions from anyone?
But do we get recording if we miss class somehow?
You joined yesterday, the day before yesterday class, no?
Yesterday I joined full class.
So yesterday you joined, right? So did you see in the group description, our WhatsApp group description, where I
No,
given
I'm not in that group. I'm not in that group yet.
ping me ma, in WhatsApp? I will add it to the group. Just say hi
Okay.
to me, okay? Please.
Okay.
So recordings will be provided, okay? And you can download and then watch it if anything is misses. Yes, ma. Answer is yes. Good.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Any other questions? How your course helps testers? Yesterday I answered it. Okay. Can we get work from home jobs? Okay. Work from home jobs, it depends on the company that you get selected. So please understand it, okay? Many people will blindly ask, like, sir, I want 100% work from home job, sir. Okay. That is not possible because during Corona time, it was there. Now companies are asking to return back. Even TCS is also planning to keep 5 days per a week. And if the employees don't come, na, then they will deduct the variable pay. So the pay that they supposed to get, they will deduct and then give. So we need to understand the companies and their policies and then adapt it. So no, sir, I don't like. Okay, I don't like to come to office, sir. Then they don't give you job also. So that's how it is. Okay, so please understand and then okay, change our mindset. Okay, I want only 100% work from home job. There are few people, na, even though they are getting some good opportunities, they said, sir, I don't come out of my city, sir. Okay, I don't come to Bangalore, sir. Then you are not fit for IT. Okay, seriously, because in IT means we need to go and then stay in the place where your company is located. Okay, and sometimes they will ask you to go to some other place also. You have to travel. So you should be very adaptive. Okay, 100% work from home and all. Like if you are there is no 100% work from home. First thing, and if we are expecting that, then we are not fit for IT. Did I answer your question? Please ask it. Okay, please ask here. I am not
Sir,
holding.
sir, why flow designer is not included in this syllabus? In your
Why it is not included means why I have to include?
Hello.
Why I have to include flow designer here, ma?
because it's under CSC exam.
It's under fees. First, we are covering workflows here. Okay. So workflow
Mm-hmm.
comes under fundamentals. Flow designer is advanced. So we are not learning any advanced topics here. This is fundamental course. Okay.
Okay.
So once after learning this part, then ma please keep it unmuted. Then if anyone want to learn anything further, they can learn anything. Okay. The first thing which I recommend to learn is flow designer. To to learn flow designer, you need to have a very strong knowledge on the fundamental course. Okay. So that's why we didn't include it. Right? Even if we include also, no one will can understand it at the first time. Okay. Good. Any questions? Please ask your questions, but don't type there.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
I have
yes.
one doubt. What would be like the impact of AI on service now? Will there be any impact?
No, sir. Because ServiceNow is also adapting AI, so no issues.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the question.
So does the course cover ATF?
We don't cover ATF because ATF is separate module and we don't require ATF. Okay. What
Okay.
what we are going to cover, I completely given the list. Correct? Did I given the list to everyone? You all gone through the list, ma? Our syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is the only syllabus we will learn here. Okay. Apart from this, we don't learn anything else. As part of this particular program, we will be learning only this part only.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma.
After completion of this course, are you referring from your end any
After
previous
completion of this course, are you referring?
any jobs, sir, from your previous?
In our SKFacts application, I will be posting daily jobs. Okay.
Okay.
There is a folder where job postings will be there. I will be posting there, first thing. Second
Okay.
thing is also in our group also, I will be posting it. This group will be continue. Okay. B34, B36 confirmed group. So whenever I get it, I will post it there. Even our people also, students, whenever they get it, they will post it. So it will help everyone.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any last question, please?
Can you suggest the best YouTube video to learn Flow Designer?
I will suggest you, sir. There is something called, there is a channel with ServiceNow expert Rohit or something.
Okay,
Okay, there you will get nice flow designer videos. Okay, I will
okay.
ping you separately the link. Okay,
Thanks.
thank you. Good.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, ma. Good evening.
Sir, ServiceNow, developer.servicenow.com window, in that window, we can click on sign up and start building. After that, we can open another window, right?
Huh. Yes, ma. So
So, what is the
developer.
difference between these two windows?
Okay. This is our actual instance. Okay. Here where we will be practicing the things, and this is login page. Okay. So to come into this page, we need to first log into this page and then jump into. Okay. In this login page, you will be having so many options also. Okay. There are many options you can go through. So I will introduce you later. Okay. All these things I will introduce you later. But you have to route like this only. Developer.servicenow.com, sign in, and then your instance. Fine.
Fine, sir. Fine. Thank you.
Okay. So I will take. Shall I take control?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes,
So,
it is.
kindly please keep it in mute. Okay. And if anyone have any questions, maybe unmute when I ask the questions. Okay. Please keep it unmute, my everyone.
Today is the first class.
Today is the third session,
Every day in which time?
8 p.m. 8 8 p.m. It starts at 8 p.m.
8 to 9.
Yes, sir. 8 to 9:30. Okay. Fine. So please keep it unmute, everyone.
Sure.
Sir, just one more question, please. So if we have some questions in between, we can directly pitch in or we have to wait till end?
Please wait till I complete the particular topic because when we are when I am teaching a topic, now please concentrate on the topic. And once the topic is complete, I am not saying entire class. Okay. Once the topic is completed, after the topic completed, I will only open for questions. Okay, so please ask
Sure, sir.
that time, because generally what happens is, if I open the questions in the middle, na, everyone will start asking the questions and the subject will be followed only. So once I finish the subject, then we can ask the questions. Okay, half of your answers will be automatically covered by me only. Okay, before that question hour starts. First thing.
Sure, sir. Sure,
Second
sir.
thing is one kind request to everyone. Okay, uh, when we are discussing some point, na, kindly ask the questions which is related to that topic only. It's my humble request. Why is because you all already learned something about ServiceNow. Okay, before you join here, you already at least learned some three, four videos. You know at least something. When I am teaching something, na, then you ask some other question, which will completely deviate our flow. Okay, for me nothing happens, but for first time learners, na, if we are in a flow, if we suddenly jump into some other topic, na, they will get mad. Okay, so please okay, please ask only the relevant questions to the subject. First thing. And if you ask any other questions also, if that is not related to the context, I will just pause it. I don't answer it. Okay, later when time comes, I will answer it. Okay, clear my everyone?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes. Okay, good. So shall I take control? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see here, the first two classes completely questions, questions, questions. We have not discussed anything apart from what is a service, what is a service now, and the ServiceNow tool will be useful to us, okay, or to end users. So far, the only important thing which we covered is ServiceNow tool is there, okay, and this tool how it will be useful for general users, okay, and how it will be useful for the people who works on the ticket. Let's say I am into database team, okay. I will again take one more example. Okay, so see here, okay, we will be having three people here. One person is, okay, database, a server is there, okay. So I have one server, right? So I have a server and my server is down, right? So what I will do, I will call to service desk people and say my server is down, please help to fix it. Okay, then what they do is they will go and create one incident here. Okay, they will take my name, okay, and then it's a issue, right? Issue always will be reported with application called, okay, incident. Issue is incident. Okay, so now they will take my name. My name is, okay, maybe Jimmy. Okay, and they will create one ticket. Okay, the ticket is server down. Okay, and they will give the description also. Okay, so server name SKFacts BLR0001. Okay, is down. Okay, and attached the error something. Okay, now this ticket will be assigned to a group of people who will work on server related issues, server related work. In the organization, we will be having projects, teams, group of people. Okay. So let's say one testing task comes. So will be a testing team. One server issue came, server team. Okay. One network issue came, network team. Like that, teams will be there. So here also, there is one team, they will take care of, okay, issues of server and related. So the team is database team. Okay. So for Jimmy, server issue came. So someone understood, took the call from Jimmy, and then he is helping to create an incident. Okay, and that incident is assigned to database team. Okay, so database team, any one person will take the ticket and then, okay, he will fix that issue. Okay, so to have this service operated, we need a tool, that is ServiceNow tool. This part we discussed it already. Now we seen from Jimmy point of view, we seen from Beth point of view. Jimmy is a normal user. Okay, for him some issue came, so he need to report it. For that he need this tool, that is ServiceNow tool. Now Beth is there. Who is Beth is? He is from DBA team, database administration team, means server team. If anyone want any help or any issue or any service related to servers database, then these people will handle it. So one ticket came, and this person will take the ticket and then fix it. From Beth side also we seen, end user point of view we seen it. Okay, and then okay, database team means fulfillers, we call it as agents or okay, ITL users, whatever it is. How to say? How can we categorize them? Name them. So from technical team. Okay, technical team side also we seen it. These people are using ServiceNow as a ticketing tool. These people are also using ServiceNow as a ticketing tool. These two sides we seen it. Okay, two separate views. Now third view is our view. Okay, we have a team of 10 people. We call them as ServiceNow developer team. Okay, then how these people will involve with this tool is, now everyone in the organization, let's say on the day I told, okay, SKFacts company is there. Okay, SKFacts is company is having 25,000 people, right? In the 25,000 people, okay, one person, Jimmy is one person, and Beth is another person, and these 10 people also another people, set of people. Okay, so these people, what they do is, the common platform, ServiceNow platform, if anyone want anything in the form or flow or a process, anything, these people will do it, which we call it as development. So this is the main part that we discussed in last two classes. Correct, Nama? I'm just repeated. Everyone clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Yes, clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So continue to this particular dialogue. Okay. Very carefully see. I'll take the same thing again, repeating it again. But what we see today is, okay, we have uh, any questions, ma?
Mm, I
Any
have a doubt. Can you repeat again this
which part? From
this
where to where?
this part this today today is my first class, so can you repeat it?
What you need to do is kindly please go through. Okay, so I'm talking about a tool called ServiceNow tool. It's a ticketing tool. Okay, so we are seeing this ticketing tool from three ways, three views. One view is a general user. Anyone can log into the system and then anyone can raise a ticket. Okay, so Jimmy is here a general user. Okay, and he have some issue with his server. So he will use this tool to report his issue. Correct? Part
Hmm.
number one. Now once the ticket is created, then second thing is there is a team where they will handle the server tickets. And how these people are using is, these people are using this tool to operate their work. Second point, clear?
Yes.
Third point is, okay, there will be a team called ServiceNow team where we are belongs to. We are developers, we are administrators, correct? So what we do is we develop these forms. That I will tell you one more example we are going to discuss. So we are going to discuss like what these 10 people will do. Okay, continuity to the same discussion. Now today what we are going to see is, when we say we, okay, or you, once you learn this course, you or we belongs to this members, this 10 members. Okay, this is what our primary thing. You will be part of ServiceNow team and you will be handling the ServiceNow platform. First dialogue. When you say handling the ServiceNow platform means what? Okay, what I will do is I will do one thing. Okay, so let's take one real-time scenario. Okay, and the scenario follows lot of discussion. Try to understand the discussion. Okay, so incident management. Okay, incident. What is incident? The one which we just created here. What is this? Okay. Hmm. What is this? What is incident, sir? Anyone?
It's an
Uh,
issue. It's an
Incident
any
one
is
issue,
event.
created by users.
Very good.
any issue or anything which is deviating a normal work, like if any user is not able to do their normal work,
Yes. Okay.
then it is considered under the incident.
Okay. So in the process, okay, anyone, anything, if anyone have any issue, okay, that issue can be treated as incident. Okay. Example, server is down, my application is down, my laptop is not working, my screen is not working, okay, printer is not working, scanner is not working. Okay. So anything which is an issue can be treated as incident. Correct, Nama? Understood everyone? Yes?
Yes.
The definition of incident is clear, ma? First time learners?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Ah.
yes, yes.
So, please keep it on mute, ma. Everyone. Okay. Now, right? The company SKFacts, ma, please keep it on mute, ma. Everyone, check your mics. So, what I'm trying to say is, incident application is there, correct? Okay. Incident is reporting an issue. Okay. So, reporting an issue means what? Anyone can have any issue. 25,000 people are there in the organization. If any technical issue arises, sir, issue means chest pain. Okay. So whenever my HR is passing, okay, from my wing, I am getting heart pain. That is not issue. That is not IT issue. That is also an issue, but it is human issue, not IT issue. Okay. If any IT issue causes for this 25,000 people, then those issues can be treated as incidents. This is the definition of incident management. First point. Clear, my everyone? Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes.
now, okay. So my company is located in 25 okay, let's say 5 countries or 25 countries. Sorry, 25 countries or 25 locations. When I say locations, mean in India, okay, Bangalore, Chennai, okay, Mumbai, right? So in India itself, five, okay, and Hyderabad, okay, maybe Pune, Noida, okay. So let's say five, six. Then apart from India, it also located in Japan, okay, and okay, Singapore, okay, Israel, Tel Aviv, okay, right, and then it also located in all the UK, US, all companies, okay, all countries it is located, okay, it is located in Croatia, it is located in Germany, it is located in all, okay, everywhere, okay, and Ireland, Dublin, every place. So 25 locations my company is located and 25,000 people across the globe are involved with my company. Okay. So see here, this is the worldwide located company. Now, one user from Bangalore, okay, got one issue. What is the issue is he will be using one application, so that application is stopped working. So I'm using Snagit. When I launched Snagit application, it's failed today. Okay. Then what he will do? It is not working means it's a issue. Okay. It's
Yes.
an issue means immediately he will go to ServiceNow and then he will, okay, raise an incident in the ServiceNow. Correct? That is the definition of incident management.
Yes.
Similarly, any user across the globe of this company, any people have any issue, they will also raise the incident. So, incident management application is too heavy application in IT companies. There will be so many tickets will be created, and okay, they will be like incidents, issue. There are so many applications. I will tell you. Okay, we are only talking about one example, that is incident management today. Okay, sir. Then okay, today my laptop is not working, sir. Then I will create a ticket. So I belongs to Bangalore. So someone from Bangalore office should be there, na, who will take care of my ticket. We call that team is local service desk. Correct? So local service desk for Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Noida, Bangalore, Japan, every location, there should be some team where they will take care of the issues. Correct, Nama? Is that needed?
Yes.
Everyone
Yes.
agree? So
Yes.
why, sir? Why can't we? So nowadays everything work from home, na, sir. If I get my laptop issue, okay, I can raise an incident. Okay, can it be remotely fixed, sir? So if it is application issue, they can do RDP and then they can fix it. They can connect your PC and then they can solve the issue. Okay. But if it is not a virtual issue, like let's say your laptop is not opening. Okay, your laptop is loading with black screen, green screen, blue screen. Those kind of issues, how they will remotely fix it, ma? The team is in Bangalore and you are in your hometown, okay, Amravati. So if you report it like my laptop is coming with a green screen, will they fix it? Can they fix it? Can they fix?
In office
No,
only.
no, that's not possible.
It's not possible. It's a physical issue, correct? So,
Yes.
right, these people, local service desk people will do okay, physical issues or remote issues. Both issues they will handle. Any issue they will have handle. Okay. So there are teams where they takes care of physical issues and virtual issues, both any issue. So like this, for every location there is a local service desk. Okay, 25 locations, 25 local service desk teams are there. Okay, and their main application is incident management. Okay, for these 25 locations, okay, for these 25 local service desk, okay, there is one global head. Okay, maybe I'll take one name from our group. Okay, so maybe his name is okay, maybe Amit. So global service desk. Okay, 25 locations service desk teams are reporting to one person. His name is Amit. He is global service desk lead. Understood, ma? Yes, everyone understood till this point.
Yes.
Hmm. Now,
Yes.
okay, service desk people will use incident management, no? So Amit is the application owner. Who is the process owner of incident management? Amit. If anything wants related to incident management, Amit will governance it. Means he needs to approve. It is his responsibility. Incident management application governance will come under Amit. Okay. So let's say like the other way. Okay. So the other way is tomorrow one person will come. Okay. Let's say take one person. Okay. So this guy will come. Merinda. Melinda. Okay. Melinda will come to us. Melinda will come to ServiceNow team and say, hello ServiceNow team, I want this field. I want a new field here after this. Do we create for Melinda? Let's say tomorrow.
No,
Huh,
we have to take the permission or the approval from Amit.
right. So what is the meaning of this global service desk lead means? If any change needs to be done for incident management application, na, he needs to know that he needs to approve it. He is the owner. Okay, if Melinda came to us and say, I want one new field to be created in this page, we don't do. Did you get approval from Amit? We will say the first thing. Okay. No, I didn't get it. Melinda replied like, I didn't get it. Then go and get the approvals. We will tell like that. Okay. So that is what the meaning of lead process owner. Okay. Now, why I'm telling all this is Amit came to our team and then say, okay, in incident management, I want one field. Okay, very carefully see. I want a new field or I want a new option here or maybe channel is there. No? Chat, email, phone, self-service, virtual, walk-in. Okay. By the way, what are these ways? What are these options? These
To
options
raise
are
an
Uh,
incident.
choices.
choices to raise the incident. These are the ways. Okay. So you can raise an incident using a chat, using an email. You can call to service desk. They will create a ticket for you. You can create incident for yourself. Nowadays, everything bot came. Okay. Or you can go walk into the office and then report it. So these are the ways to create an incident. Okay. So here, Amit came and say, I want a new option here. In this list, I want a new option. Okay. Maybe any new option you can tell me, just relevant to this particular list. Any option? You can create a ticket,
Self service.
self-service
We
is
can
not a
inform some
Website.
other someone they can inform.
okay, so on behalf. Can I keep
Huh.
on behalf here?
Yeah.
Okay. So Amit,
Fax.
sorry ma,
Fax also.
fax is a paper ma. Okay, it's not a command, it's a paper. Okay. So on behalf I will say, okay. So Amit came to our team. Okay, very carefully see now. This is where we are getting the work. When we say you are a ServiceNow developer tomorrow, you will be getting something like this only. Okay, how it will come, what you do and all, I am just trying to explain here. Okay. So Amit comes to ServiceNow team. Okay, and then he will say requirement. Okay, create a new option called on behalf. Okay, for which field ma? What is that field name? Channel.
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 Okay, channel field on incident table. This is the requirement Amit given to us. Okay, till this point everyone clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so when it comes to our queue, first of all, okay, who will do? This is one discussion. What we do? This is another discussion. Okay, first I will say what we do. Okay, so we do this one. No? So we will follow something called SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. So we are developers. Keep it in mind. Okay, because we are going to develop the things. We follow the development methodologies also. Okay, so to take this request, to finish this request, we do something. What we do is first in this STLC process, first thing is requirement gathering. Okay, so requirement gathering here we already required it. We already gathered it. It looks very easy, but sometimes requirements will be too lengthy also. Here it is very easy. So it looks are we already done. No, nothing is there. No, no. Sometimes it will be little heavy also. Okay, so requirement gathering. Then next step is development. Okay, then next step is okay testing. Then next step is customer testing. I will explain each one, okay, which we call it as UAT. And then next step is if any documentation is there, okay, documentation optional. Okay, and then release. So these are the steps we follow to finish this work. Sir, I didn't understand anything, sir. I understood only requirement gathering here. Okay. So, see here. Now, we have 10 people, no? What are these 10 people is, okay? In 10 people, 5 people will be developers, okay? And 2 people will be developers and testers, okay? One person will be a kind of BA, business analyst, okay? One person will be architect, okay? One person will be kind of lead and delivery manager, okay? We will also will be having some, okay, other job roles will be like consultant, okay? Module lead. Lead is lead only, okay? Consultant will be there, but maximum in our team, consultant will not be there, okay? So we just keep it. Why I said consultant is not required is, okay, we will handle that work. There is a purpose, okay? Out of 10 people, 5 plus 2 plus 3, okay? These people are there. This set of people are there, okay? Now, when Amit needed some work, okay, who will connect with the customers? Who will get the work to our team? Okay,
Business analyst.
so generally there is a person from our team. Okay, that person is called business analyst. Okay, maximum business analyst is the kind of interface between our technical team to customers. And what is his primary job is he will go and meet all the customers and he will involve with lot of discussion and he will gather the requirement and then he will give the requirement to us. Understood my everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, yes.
So, and see, it is not always 100% correct, but his role is completely getting the requirements, okay, having the meetings and then getting the things, okay, and then follow up and all. It's more like process oriented, non-technical, more communicational. Okay, sir, one customer directly pinged me. Okay, I'm a developer. One customer directly pinged me, and he said I want this particular change. So, do you take it, sir? Or do you say, no, 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 I'm not business analyst, so don't speak with me. You speak like that. Okay. That time,
No, sir.
we will take it. It's not 100% like, okay, we don't respond. Okay, we don't say like, okay, this is not my job and all. We also will speak with the customers. We also involved in that. But primarily business analyst, okay, in the same way, we can say, okay, I will, okay, when customer asks me, like, I want this one. So let's have a discussion. Then what I can do is I will involve my business analyst in that discussion. He will take it up. Understood my everyone? Yes? This point is clear? Business analyst point is clear? Everyone, yes? Yes? No?
Sir. Yes.
Okay. Now, right? Once we get the requirement, okay, let's say business analyst got the requirement and we are whenever business analyst got any requirement, now you will discuss with our technical team. So one customer he asked me to create a new choice here. Then our architect, our team and all will discuss it. Okay. First of all, when he said I want on behalf of, first question is why he want it. Okay. Then business analyst or the customer needs to say, okay, this is the justification. Okay. Then if the justification is correct and that is clean to implement, then we can take it. Okay. So now we took it now. Next what we do, sir. Okay. What we do is the ticket, the work will be assigned to one of the developer. Okay. From ServiceNow platform team, we have 10 people. Okay. Out of 10 people, 5 developers. Here also 7 developers are there. So this work will be assigned to one of the developer. Clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now the developer, what he will do is he will go and develop this part. Yesterday I showed you to create a field, no? So now what I will do is I will create a new choice. Okay. You no need to concentrate on technical part. Okay. But only concentrate on the result. Okay. Please. Right. Give me a second. Don't see all these pages. Okay. Because it will confuse you because so many people are new to the platform, right? Just to see the results output. Okay. Come, 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 come. Right. So I'll just create a new choice here. Right. Now, okay, go here, refresh here. Okay. So now you can you see that? Where is that? Give me 1 second more. Did I create it correctly?
Sir, you have created in task table, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Am I correct?
1 second. Okay. The choice came now. Everyone see ma? Everyone seen it?
Yes.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
one developer na, he will do the same part. If it is choice creation, if it is field creation, if something logic, different logic, whatever the logics are needed, they will do. So, the development part na, these people will do. Okay, the second part of our SDLC process is development, right? Now, when a developer do something, first testing, the developer only will test it. Correct? When I do something, I have to test it, na? Correct, na? Everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
So here,
Yes.
when developer develops this thing, he also do something called unit testing. Okay, unit testing is a kind of first testing. Generally, a developer himself will do it. Then if he is satisfied with 100%, then he will give this work to our testers. Okay, so he will say, I developed this one and I also tested it. So you please start testing it. Okay, so any one of these tester will pick that work and they will do testing, which we call it as QA or QC, quality assurance and quality check. This is what your manual testing, automation testing, and all will come in outside processes. Okay, so for this testing, we need people. Here we don't use any automation tools and all. Okay, we do process related testing, but here also we have testing. Okay, then the testers tested it. They said everything is good. Okay, they checked the requirements and they went to the farm. They verified it. Okay, it's all looking good. If they feel okay, now I am a tester. Let's say I am a tester. Okay, so I am in this page. I am testing it. So it should be small o. So now it is small o, no? Small b. It should be capital O, capital B. Okay, so testing failed. Then if testing failed, then I will hand over back to developer. I tested it and I found this gap. Please rework it. If any rework is there, again it will go back to development and then he need to change it. Then again he need to test it and then submit back. Got it, my everyone? Yes, everyone?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
once we feel like, so see here, this testing, this development is our internal team. We only developed, we only tested. Okay. But we also ask one more testing, that is UAT, customer testing. Okay, user acceptance testing, UAT, right? In this UAT, okay, the respective developer or a BA will send an email to Amit now. Who is customer here? Who is customer here? Who asked this request?
Amit.
It's Amit, correct? So we will ask Amit, okay, and then we will say we developed it, okay. So please check it. He needs to have it. He needs to check it, right? He also will just go and then check it, okay. If all good, if he liked it 100%, then he will say testing UAT is successful. Please move ahead. Then once he said done, okay, if anything we have documentation process, we will just create some documentation, okay. And finally, if everything is clear, we will move this to production live. Once we move to production, then the change that you did will be seen by all 25,000 people. Understand this process? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
right.
Yes.
Now, very carefully see, sir. In this entire description, we covered this guy, and we covered these people, and we covered these guys, right? Now, what these people will do, sir? Correct. These two people are missing, no, in our discussion. Correct. So, who is architect? Okay, architect is the super senior technical person who will safeguard the platform. Okay, that means you have a house, you have a family, okay, wife, okay, 4 kids, right? Now who is the architect? Who is the head of the family? It is the first person, correct? Father is the first person. He is the head of the family, correct? If anything needs to take a decision, like let's say tomorrow something needs to be implemented in our family, who needs to take yes or who needs to decide no? Who needs to take the decision?
Head of the family, architect.
Primarily head of the family only. Okay. He can consult other people, says, okay, can we do this? Is that good? Is that bad? What is your opinion and all? But finally, he needs to say yes or no. Okay. So let's say the floor that roof is not good. Rain season is coming. Okay. Then one of the developer means one of the kids said, Daddy, okay, rain is coming. So there may be chance that roof will break or water will flow inside. Dots will come. Okay. Then architect needs to understand the situation. You need to understand the wall, okay, and you need to say, okay, right now is good, or we need to do permanent fix or temporary fix. First of all, is fix needed? So everything he needs to do. Even the developer says the indication, but finally he will say yes or no. Before he say yes or no, he should have the strongest command in the platform. Technically, process wise. Okay. Now when Amit came and say I want this option, then BA gathered that information and come to us team. First architect will say why he need it. What is the justification? Okay. So let's say there is a justification. Okay, then architect will say, do we have any other option for this requirement to provide him without creating this new choice? He needs to understand that. He need to provide it. Understood my everyone? Right? So
Yes.
architect is a kind of person.
Yes.
Architect is a kind of person who should have the strongest knowledge on both sides, technical side and process side. Okay, and our team will rely on him for everything. He is the decision maker. Okay, and he safeguard our platform. Okay, first thing. Fine, sir. Then who is the lead? Who is the delivery manager? Okay, lead is the lead. Maybe he is a people manager. Okay, all 9 people are reporting to him, or 8, at least 8 people are reporting to him, not architect. Okay, and then he also managed the delivery part. Okay, so here everything is clear now. So to move these things to actual live environment, maybe the delivery manager will take care of it. We call it as release. Okay, production release or something. Deployment, we call it as deployment. Generally you know the word called deployment. Okay, your relatives, your brothers, sisters, okay, your connects will work on weekends. They will say, I have deployment, I don't come. What is actually deployment? Okay, so they are moving something to live environment, production environment. That is called deployment. Okay, generally deployments will be done in weekends, Saturday, Sunday. Why is because weekends less people will connect to the platform. Okay,
Yes.
if anything goes wrong because of one push, one deployment, the impact will be very less. Correct. Let's think like one banking job, banking sector is there. Okay, banking sector. Okay, now, okay, the normal timings are like it works for 24/7. Okay, but Monday to Friday, heavy transactions. Okay, Saturday, Sunday, less transactions. Let's say like this. Okay, any deployments, any production releases, they plan or they, any maintenance also. Sometimes you may see blank people will send a message like we are under maintenance. Okay, and you expect a delay in my services, something. Correct? Everyone know this kind of messages. Correct?
Yes.
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 uh, if you observe them, they will be maximum on off business days, off business hours. They do it. They may be upgrading some server in the backend or pushing some patch to the application. Okay, due to that release time, due to that deployment time, there may be some kind of fluctuations. Maybe the application will be restarted, it may be down, it may be slow. So they will just put an indication to customers so that customers will not face any kind of aggressive reactions. So similarly here also, let's say there is a bank application and one small change needs to be done. They don't do on Monday to Friday. They will do Saturday and Sunday because the impact will be less if something goes wrong. Understood, my everyone? This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, first time learners, you are
Yes.
Yes.
yes, very first time learners, you are all understanding my discussion.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, na?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma. So now we understood our team, we understood our process. Correct? Sir, now the next question, right? Please keep it on mute. Someone please keep it on mute. Okay. Sir, we have this link now. You said this is our ServiceNow link. This is our ticketing tool link. In actually live production and like in our projects, how this one looks like, sir. Correct. This is our demo instance. This is our practice instance. Okay. Everyone can create one link and then you can start practicing it. Right. Daily 10 hours, 20 hours you can practice it. But live, let's say we are all belongs to SKFacts and SKFacts you said there is a tool where 25,000 people will log into this tool. The tool name is ServiceNow tool. How that tool will look like, sir? Okay, so if my company name is SKFacts, okay, how it will be like? My instance in project will be sk company name dot servicenow.com. It will be like this. Okay, in your project, in your live environment, if your company name, your client name is SKFacts, then the ServiceNow link will be skfacts.servicenow.com. This is how they name it, they give you. Understood, my everyone? Everyone understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Next, first thing,
Sir, this name who will
Yes.
create, sir?
ServiceNow will give me. Okay. So
Okay.
when let's say the SKFacts company, they want to buy the ServiceNow instance for them. Okay. So if when they want ServiceNow for SKFact company, when they reach these people, no, then they will say, okay, you need to pay this much per year and this much we will give you. This is the tool. This is everything they will give. Okay, benefits and all. Then they will say, we are going to give you one link. Okay, what is your what name you want to have it? Generally, they will give their company names only. Correct? If my company name is SKFacts, can I give SMFacts? Obviously, no, no, I don't give it, right? Correct? So they will give the company name only. So when they give company name, automatically those people will generate a link and then they will start giving it. Okay, one time, that's it. And maximum, once it is generated, they don't change it because it will be circulated, it will be started using by the people. It should not be changed again and again and again. Got it, ma? Yes? Did I answer your question?
Sir, and one more thing, I have a question. So we have a logo and everything, right? Who will be provided that? Is will be provided by the service now
I will
or
come to that point. Okay. So
all right?
logo and all, I will go. We have not started understanding the tool. We are not even jumped to the tool. Okay. So let me finish it. Okay. So first URL, our instance URL is clear in live and in the companies. You will be seeing the link like this. This is your production instance. In production of your SKFX company, everyone will use this link. This is your ServiceNow ticketing tool. Clear? Everyone, yes?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, second thing, okay. Sir, in our companies, okay, how many links will be there, sir, like this? Okay. So, if SKFX company will be having 25,000 people, all 25,000 people will be accessing only one link, that is this link. This is common for everyone. Along with this, there will be two more links. Okay. They are special links. What are they is, okay, they are, I will tell you, okay, just give me a second, right? So there will be two more links will be there. Okay, dev skfax company name dot dev dot servicenow dot com, skfax company name dot test dot servicenow dot com. Okay, there will be three links will be there, three environments, three instances will be there. Okay, generally this is live environment, this is production. Okay, but our team will be separately, these two are for our team, our 10 people. Okay, so our team will be having two more instances access. They are this one, dev and test. Okay, when any requirement comes, okay, once the requirement comes, now we do development, correct? So the respective developer will do development, right? Where they do? They do here. They will do the development in developer instance. Okay, so skfax dev.servicenow.com. There is a link where the respective developer will access this link. He will develop everything. Okay, and then he will test it. This part will be done in developer instance. This part is clear, ma? Yes, this activity will be done in developer instance. This part is clear, everyone? Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir. That's right.
Huh. Now once the development is done in this instance, na, the work whatever he did, he will move that work to test instance. Okay, so how work will be moved from dev instance to test instance? Using one option, one technology in ServiceNow called update sets. Okay, there is a topic that we will be learning maybe somewhere around 16th, 17th session. Okay, so there is a topic called update set. Using update sets, we will move the work from developer instance to test instance. The respective developer will move it. Okay, now the work came to test instance. It is there in dev. He developed in dev, and also you moved that same work to test. Now it is there in dev and it is there in test. When he moved to test na, he will ask the tester, he will go to the tester and say, I moved this work to our test instance, please test it. Okay, so one of the two people will go to our test instance and then he will open one incident record and then he will verify whether this is working fine or not. Okay, so if it is everything good, they will say test is successful. Once the testing is successful, now this phase is done. Then, okay, we also send one email to Amit saying, sir, your work is completed. Okay, kindly access our test instance and verify whether everything is good or not. Okay, Amit will connect to our test instance and perform the customer testing, that is our UAT. Okay, so he also says everything is good, I am fine. Once he says fine, then the delivery manager, okay, will move this work from test to actual live environment to production. How he will move the work from test to production? Same update set concept. Okay, so this is the life cycle. This is what we do in live environment. These two are our environment. Okay, generally, no, any development, if you say application development, generally people will be there in application development, right? Whenever they are doing application development, they will be having three environments. Okay, one for development, one for testing, and actual live. So they develop everything in developer PC. Once they do development, they move that work to test PCs. Generally, no, to move the work to test PCs, no, they will use something called GitHub and all. GitHub, everyone know GitHub? Anyone know GitHub here?
No, sir.
Yes.
GitHub is nothing, no. It's a kind of place where they copy the code and then download the code.
Push. Yeah.
Okay, just a kind of place where you can keep your
Version control, I guess.
okay, right. So similarly here we don't have anything called GitHub and all. To move our work from dev to test now we don't use GitHub and all. We use our internal topic called update set. Okay. So similarly, once everything is done, okay, then when we want to move this one to production environment, then again we will use the same concept called update set and then move to production. Okay. These are the activities that we are going to do. This is where our team comes into picture. So this is one small example. Anything anyone want it, that we will do. Clear everyone? This one.
Sir, yes.
Okay.
Sir, in the SKFacts, we have purchased one server, but we have sister concerns so many like 3-4 companies. At that time, we will use same server or we have to buy some more servers.
It depends on that company. If everyone, so let's say I have SKFacts, okay, and SKFacts company purchased some 3-4 companies, SMFacts, okay, physics wala, chemistry wala, and all. Now, if we all belongs to one organization, even though the entities are different, we all can use one link. That is ServiceNow, skfacts.servicenow.com. We no need to have 3-4 because that is too much licensing, no? Maintaining 3-4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Good.
Sir, one more doubt. Sir, in testing, actually one testing will SKFacts tester will do. Second testing, this customer testing will do. So they have multiple user IDs or they will use same user ID, sir?
We can create test users also. So generally, uh, okay. So see here, this person will be having one account. Let's say Rajesh. Okay, in our team, Rajesh is our tester. Krishna is another tester. Two people are there. When okay, the actual developer asks them to test it. No, they will just log in with their account and then they will test it. There are some test cases where we need to specifically test with some special accounts. That time they will create that special account and then use that account. Okay, so we will get to know, sir. All of them will get to know. Okay, what is the special account and how to create it, how to go to that account and then use that account and all. We will just use it. Okay, but yes, yes is the answer. Any questions, ma? Till this point, any questions on the discussion?
I have, sir.
Yes, ma.
Actually, what's the significance of solution designer role here in ServiceNow?
What is actually the solution designer? I don't know what is solution designer.
Is anything, any roles like solution designer in ServiceNow?
No, there is no role called solution designer. Our architect is itself is a solution designer.
Okay, okay.
Okay, there is something called solutioning, consulting, solutioning, architecting. Okay, so who will do solutioning? By the way, what is solutioning is you need something, but you don't know how to do. The manager, hire manager comes and say, I want this. Okay, he will just say, I want this. That's it. Okay, maybe not Amit. Okay, if Amit says, I want this, maybe you say, we don't know. We can't do this. But, okay, our manager, okay, so delivery manager, these people and all reporting to delivery manager, and delivery manager is reporting to some X. Okay, X is reporting to Y. Now Y directly came, I want this. Can we say no to him? Our super boss, he came to us and then say, I want this. Can we say no?
No, sir.
We can't say no. Okay, so we have to do, and we don't know how to do. Okay, that time we need to do solutioning. If one issue comes, we don't know how to fix it, then we need solutioning. So who will do all this solutioning? Some person will be there. For us, who is that person? Okay, this guy only. Understanding it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In different processes, they will name with different logos, but actual work, what you do is same. They can call in a different name. That's it. If you go to Arabic country, they will call it as Allah. Okay, and if you come to India, they will call it like Vishnu or some other. And if you go to that country, they will say Christ, but same God. His functions are same. Take care of people, kids. We are all kids, na? He will take care. So solutioning, consultant, okay, architect, everything is same. Inside in the team, they do the same job. Understanding it, everyone? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So finally, sir, you discussed everything. Okay, you made a lot of drama here, but why you left this guy, sir? What sin he did? Okay, so consultant, who is actually the consultant, right? Consultant is someone, general meaning of consultant is, I have a product. I built one project that is SKFacts. Okay, now I need to promote this one. Generally, if I am the owner of the product, will I go to every house and then promote it? Will I do it? Will Bill Gates or someone will come to you and then say, use my Windows? No, right? Okay. So they will take some people who can be called as consultants. The primary job of consultant is giving. Huh. Everyone can hear me? My voice is clear now.
Yeah, yes.
So
Yes,
they
sir.
will recruit some people where they can be called as consultant. What these consultants will do is they will approach the customers and then give the demo of the product. Okay, use this SKFact application, and this is the functionalities of this application. This is having this feature, this is having that feature, and all. If customer likes it, then they will get the business. First thing. When you say consultant, you should be also technical. Okay. So customer will say, so I like your SKFax, but I need this one to be done. Can you do? I can't say no. If I am consultant, I can't say no. If I say no, I will lose the customer. Am I right? You are a customer and I am consultant. And my boss is my owner. And he said, go and sell my SKFX application. I came to you. And then I given a demos. This is how the SKFacts application works, and this is how this functionality works. This is how incident management works, and this is how change management works. I am just giving it. And you said, your customer, no, you said, okay, I liked it, but I have an idea. Can this idea be implemented in your application? Your application supports this idea. Then, being a consultant, I need to do a kind of small tweaks and then make him ready, and then at least say, okay, I just tried it. This is how it works. For fullest requirement, we need to do. My team can do, but it supports your idea. So the consultant can be a kind of technical person and communicational person. Okay. So this is the role of consultant. But here, when we are handling a developer work, no, do we need any consultant specifically? Because we are supporting, uh, we are we are supporting our internal users. We are not giving our ServiceNow demo to outside people, no? Are we understanding it, my everyone?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
really, we don't need any consultants here. Okay. So that's why in our ServiceNow teams there will be not any consultants. But don't confuse here. Okay, there are companies, no. So let's say there is a company called HCL. If you join to HCL, no, if you have more than, okay, their bands are there E1, E2, E3, right? If you are 7 plus 10 plus years of experience, you will be jumped into E3. Okay, in E3, associate consultant, consultant, senior consultant. They will give you the designations. That is your job designation, company logo. It is not like your work. Understanding my everyone? Yes. Okay. Good.
Means all are doing same work or different work?
An associate consultant can be a team lead, or a developer, a tester. So company, HCL company is calling you as associate director, or a consultant, or a senior consultant, or associate consultant. And you are belong to ServiceNow team. And what is your job is doing testing. So how you now treat it? You are a tester or you are a consultant? You are all understanding me, ma? Okay. Company, when you join to a company will give you a logo that is called your job, what you call job profile or something. In your document, they will call you junior engineer, senior engineer, okay, architect, something. But actually, inside the project, you may do something else, which is respect to that project level. Understanding it?
Designation.
Yes. Company designations are different. Your actual work will be different. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question in the consultant part. So, can we say the BA and the consultants are doing the same work,
No, no,
like that?
no, no.
Because
Kind
BA
of,
is also
kind of.
connecting with the customer, and consultant also good to connecting with the customer to get the requirement.
BA cannot be a technical person, sir.
Okay,
But consultant should have technical part.
okay.
Correct. And BA is more for internal customers. Okay. The actual definition of consultant is not actually for internal but external. And correct. Understood.
So consultant will get the business to the company.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Maybe in the other way, consultant is a kind of salesperson. Okay. Sales manager. Understood, no?
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Fine. So see here, what we understood today is, okay, I'm just recapping it. Okay. Again, we didn't discuss much, but you are going to be a developer. You are going to be one of these persons, one of these people. Okay. So now, what is your work will be? Okay. This again also covered like job roles of ServiceNow person. Okay, we covered all the job roles, all the probable of job roles. You can be a developer, you can be a tester, you can be a BA, you can be an architect, you can be a lead, you can be a delivery manager. Okay, so if you want, sir, I want to become architect. Okay, can I become, sir? How much experience you have? I have just 2 years, sir. Is that possible to become architect?
No.
Okay, so
No.
okay, so now based on our current experience, current process knowledge, current service now knowledge, if you get any kind of requirements, you can jump into. Okay, sir, I have very strong knowledge on testing. Okay, so ma, please give me 2 minutes. I will take the questions. Okay, for after 2 minutes, I will take all the questions. Okay. So, sir, I have 3 years of testing experience, sir. Very deep testing experience. Now I am learning service now. So tomorrow I want to jump into service now. How can I promote myself? So what you can do is you can say I have testing experience. Now in my current company, I do testing, ServiceNow testing as ServiceNow developer. 70% of my job is development and 30% I will do testing. So if you promote yourself, na, luckily in the requirements, if they have any position where they need tester, immediately they will take you. The probability is very high here because generally a standard core developer don't like to do testing. That is the developer mentality. Everyone understood it? If I am a strong developer, I don't like to do testing. Correct? Okay. So if you say I can do development, I can do testing. Now, if their requirement matches, then you are the first choice. They can pick you. Correct? Everyone, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one.
Yes, sir.
Second. Ma, please keep it on mute. Ma. I can hear your backend voices also. Please. Okay. Second thing, sir. I have 5 years experience. I am good in functional. Okay, daily I will speak with so many managers, so many customers. I know good knowledge and process. Okay. Now I am learning service now. How can I go, sir? BA you can go. Okay. So if you know little technical plus you know process, then you suits BA like anything. And there are very limited people are there in the market who can do BA. Okay. So this is another option. By default, you can go as a developer. Sir, I have 10 years of experience. Now I want to jump into service now. Then how can I promote myself? Okay, you can go as a lead come developer. Correct? So we have all the probabilities here. Once you learnt it, then based on your current knowledge and okay, your respective previous knowledge and service now knowledge, based on that you can promote yourself. Okay, good. Now one small point here in the BA. Okay, generally why okay this is my point and it's also correct only. Okay, but 90% is correct, maybe 10% exceptional. Okay, generally no, any BA here, anyone here who do BA job, anyone? Okay, generally no, BAs are non-technical. Unfortunately, BA people will be 100%, maximum 90% of the cases non-technical people. Okay, what is their day-to-day activity is meeting the customers, getting that, and then giving to people, and then chasing it, documenting it, chasing it, documenting it. It's these kind of activities they do. When BA is non-technical, no, he will not have any value in the team, especially with the technical people. So 9 people are very technical, and one non-technical person is there. Obviously, will he be having a value? Ma? Will he be having a value?
No.
No. Okay. Depends on the people. Okay. But maximum no. First thing, very carefully understand. I'm not commenting anyone. Please trying to understand me. Okay. Second thing, So when any customer given any requirement, no, right? If he is technically good, if BA is technically good, he can either oppose, either stop here only. So if Amit says, so the global customer manager came up says, I want one new functionality in incident management. If BA is technical, na, he can stop there only. Okay, but generally BAs are non-technical. What happens is they will nod the head there and then they will come to us. So when we analyze it, it cannot be done. Then we will say no. Then BA have to go back and say no to him. Then Amit will scold him. Okay, so if he says yes here and then he comes to here, no, then we will scold him. Understanding it, ma? Yes? Everyone understood it?
Yes. Yes.
Second thing.
Yes,
Yes.
understood.
Second thing. Okay. Now third thing. Commitment. Okay. So now see here. Amit came up and say, okay, I want it in 1 week. You have no choice. I will speak with your boss wife in case required. I will make sure that you have to do. Right? So now the BA needs to nod the head and then say yes there. Very carefully understand. When he comes to technical team and say, okay, I agreed already, this needs to be done in 1 week. The junior developer will say, technically this is not possible. Even though it is possible or not possible, don't care. But a junior developer can say, it is not possible. How can you commit it? No, 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 please do it. No, it's not possible. Technically, there is no solution to do it. Okay, it's your mistake where you agreed it. Then what is the position of BA? What is the position of BA? You are agreeing, ma? You are understanding it?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
this is the common issue of BS now. Maximum cases BS are non-technical, and these are the things where they will encounter in their day-to-day program. What if the BA is technical? Every issue will be solved. And if the BA is technical, okay, he will be having a lot of scope. Lot of scope. He can demand how much he want it. A normal senior developer is getting 25 lakhs, but for BA 32 lakhs offered. Still he is non-technical BA. Understand it. Okay. So if you really have a lot of process knowledge and if you learn this course, go if you want to go as a BA, go as a technical BA. This is my humble request because you will be shined if you are technical BA. If you are not technical BA, if you just only speak, you will become like a sheep or a joker. Understanding it, ma? Everyone understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And people, okay, who are from
So does
1 second, please give me one more last minute, okay? So from our batch, na, whoever there from UK and US, na, students who joined from UK and US, for you, what is my suggestion is right after phase one, after our 20 classes, I will say this is the time. I will intentionally say, okay, once after phase one, after this interview, you all can prepare a basic resume and then start applying as a developer or BA. Try as a BA because you already have a lot of communication, very good communication. Okay, you can easily manage this position. With our phase one syllabus, at least this syllabus, with your little communication, if you go as a BA, you can easily get the job in UK and US. Everyone understand this point, ma? From that point, US UK students? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please note this point, okay? Very
yes.
important, okay?
I have one query here regarding this business analyst.
Okay.
Just small information. Major incident manager comes under this business analyst. Anna?
Major incident management is a process.
Okay.
Same like incident management, major incident management,
Mhm.
problem management is also processes.
Okay.
So BA will not come
Okay.
here. BA is
Okay.
BA is a separate one, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, we there is no relationship, sir, here. Okay. Everyone understood, ma? What are our job roles here? Clear? Job profile.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, finally, there is one point, sir. ServiceNow admin. Okay. ServiceNow developer. Who is this, sir? Developer, we understood, but who is ServiceNow admin, sir? Okay. So this is again, there is no ServiceNow admin. Only ServiceNow developer only there. Okay, there is no admin. I never written admin here. Did you see? Did I written admin here? ServiceNow admin? No admin. Only we have developers. Okay. So I will explain what is admin. Okay, separately. Okay, that we need little maturity to understand what is ServiceNow admin. Okay, it will come in a flow. Don't worry. Okay, but for now, don't even think like there is a job profile called admin. Good. So I think that's it from my side. If you have any questions now, you can please take it, sir.
Sir,
Sir, I have a
yesterday
question.
I
Is
have
there a
created this
ServiceNow?
One,
PDI,
one.
so my screen was
Yesterday you created a PDA and your screen was.
created studio, sir. That old screen I'm not getting, so how I can
I
do it,
sent
sir?
one link actually. Okay, I am forwarding the same link again. Okay, so please follow that video and then take it, sir. I just say here. Okay, you access that link and then take it. What is happening here is, see here, everyone can see my screen, ma? Okay, everyone can see my screen, right? So when you, ma, please keep it in mute. I'm answering it. Okay, please keep it on mute. Others, everyone, please keep it on mute. Please keep it on mute. Okay. When you are creating your instance now, when you launch this one, okay, if it is launching this page means good. Sometimes it will launch something else, App Engine Studio, something. What may be the problem is when you are creating, your role will be something called admin. Now it should be admin, but it may something called app admin something. What you need to do is you need to come here and then say change user role. When you say change user role, now this one will be selected. If this one is selected, you have to select admin and then change it. If this is selected, you see that page and you see that kind of instance. It should be always admin. Okay. So how I went, I clicked here, then I say, I seen here, this is admin, I am good. If it is not admin, then I need to go here, change user role and then change this one to admin. Clear everyone?